Hello, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains GBO Tech TV. If today is your first time being in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime that I upload a new video. And I appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section because it matters to me a lot.
If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you GBO Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as GBO Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. Are you
out there thinking of how to make money online? Stop thinking. I newly discovered a new website that is ready to pay you for performing a task. If you know you're interested in this, let's jump into this video. Now check in the description, there is a link to this video. Check the description of this video, there is a link to this website that is allowed to pay you money for doing just 15 seconds tasks. So when you tap on the link, it will move you to a registration form. Phone number here. Come here and enter this captcha code here. After that, here you put your password and confirm. When you confirm, you tap on register. I already have an account, so I will log in into my account. So this is how this website will look like. As I was saying, we used to test a website before we always show it to our friends or our viewers and subscribers. Now this is some prospectus of this website. The website says that sign up for new users. Starts for new users. Sign up for a starting account and receive 3 Ghana cedis sign up bonus. Complete a Facebook sharing task and get 3 cedi bonus. 3. Complete 3 videos tags to get 3 Ghana cedis. New users can do the tags for free 7 days. For 7 days. So you do it for free in 7 days. Buy your withdrawal wallet information for the company to settle the commission. You only have one time to withdraw when you are using free, and the minimum withdrawal is 20 cedi. So this 20 cedi is for you to withdraw and see that the website is great, legit and genuine. So before you can go and invest or do whatever you want after when you receive your 20 Ghana cedis. When your account balance is greater than 20, you can get one withdrawal. So the minimum withdrawal is 20 cedi. When you are in free member, we want to make this free. You can do it and create a different account if only you have multiple numbers. So how do we work in this website? We have down here, we have home, tax hall, VIP, record, and me. So when you tap on this home, it's like this. We have Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I always prefer YouTube and Facebook. Any of them you pick. So let's say you just pick on this Facebook like this. We have ordinary member, so that is do tax 1 to 3 tax a day. So that is what we are going to do now. So you just receive this 3 of them, receive and receive. Now when you tap on receive and receive, then come back and go to record. When you come up on this record, this is how it will look like. You see what you have listed will be here. Now we have open the link or copy the link. I prefer for you copying the link, so just copy the link like this. Go to your Facebook. When you go to Facebook, you post it and screenshot this and come and upload it there and submit, so that they'll pay you your 3 cedis. Like this I'm doing. Just follow the steps that I'm going. You see, this post will come on your dashboard of your Facebook. All you need to do is just go and screenshot it. You screenshot it this way. You go back to the website. Now when you come back to the website like this, you just tap on this camera something and upload the picture or like the screenshot of your post and submit it, and they'll pay you your money. And I'll go and show you where your money will arrive. And after this I'm going to show you my raw proof and the message in my phone. So just post it and submit. Now this is the balance will come here. It will appear in this place. So what you need to do is you tap on this amount, and you see I'm to show you my withdrawal proof. This is my withdrawal success. I was withdrawing 23, so the commission of them is 1 cedi and they pay me 9 cedi. I'm going to show you the message of this 19 cedi from this website. So you come here. It was yesterday that I received this money, so I'm going to show you this money. Look at it here. Payment received for 19 cedis from Yayan International Limited. So you see it. This was the money I received yesterday. This one. Let me open it well for everyone to see this one. Payment received for 19 Ghana cedis from Yayan International Limited. Yayan International Limited. Current balance is 19 cedis. So that was the money I received yesterday. If you even go there, you see it's the same money. So I said this website is legit, and let's show it. Let me show it to my viewers and subscribers. If you know this is a good website, you like it, just give this video a thumbs up and share this video. As I said, if you know you are already a member, a new member, to join this, subscribe to the channel, please. I'm begging you. We need to grow our channel together, and thank you. Don't forget to always stay tuned to this channel for more content and videos like this.